Congratulations, and well done getting into the inner circle of attraction mantra secrets. You've just made a smart investment that can change your life forever. But your order is not quite complete yet though, so don't close this page yet, or you will lose out on your one-time opportunity to speed up your life-changing process. So, before you go, here's my one-time offer. Don't worry, this video presentation is a lot shorter than the previous one. What I'm about to show you can increase your likelihood of breaking your old self and transcend into the strongest you in half the time. It is an amazing offer that will go well with your new product. To study all the secrets in the book, you must first read through the pages. And I know this process can be extremely tedious for many. That said, many didn't get the results they desired because they gave up halfway through the book, and I don't want you to be one of them. What if I can show you a way to shortcut the process? A shortcut that will cut half the time you spend on reading and gain 30 to 40% more results. Yes, you heard that right. What I'm going to offer you is the video course of attraction mantra secrets. Look, video is one of the most impactful ways to speak to your soul. You get to feel more from this video course than the book because you have a voice that speaks to you, reaching into your soul and bringing you into a state of trance. And only by getting into this state, you get to tune into your inner soul and adjust your frequency to command the universe. Did you know that videos are processed by the brain at least 60,000 times faster than text? Think of the book as a sports car to get to your dream life, while this video course is a supersonic jet that gets you to your destination in no time at all. Meaning, you can get more profound results in less time. And I really want you to see the value in this. Just so you know, this offer is not made available to the public, and I intend to keep this opportunity limited only to you and others who are committed in improving themselves. Also, it's my way of saying thanks for choosing me, and I think you deserve to get this almost exclusively. But remember, you get to see this offer only once. So if you click away or close this page, you won't get to see it again after this. There you have it. Get everything you see on this page for one-time investment only. Speak soon.